Welcome back to Effortless Investor, the channel where we keep investing chill, simple, and effortless. So today, I want you to put the kettle on and listen to me have a natter about some simple maths, specifically in relation to the rule of 72. If you're not familiar with the rule of 72, it's a nifty little formula to tell you how long it'll take to double your investment. No crystal ball required. All you need to do is take the number 72 and divide it by your interest rate. Whatever number results from that formula is the approximate number of years it will take to double your investment. As an example, say your investment grows at 6% a year. If you take 72 and divide it by 6, you get 12. So in theory, it will take 12 years for your investment to double. It's as simple as that. Now, it's important to understand that this formula only applies to compound interest. If your account pays simple interest, this formula won't produce an accurate number for you. And obviously, the higher the interest rate, the more your money works its magic. But beware, you may find that the higher the interest rate, the higher the risk. So be careful when chasing high interest rates on your savings and investments. So the next time you hear someone talking about interest rates, whip out the rule of 72 and you might impress them. If you enjoyed this content, please feel free to give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for any future videos and portfolio updates. That's it from me, and remember, patience is profitable.